Hello friends, it's Miss Julia. On today's nature report, if you look at this moss growing on the rock, it has all these spikes on it. And it looks like the top of each little spike is some sort of seed or spore or something. I wonder if it helps it grow. The only real green around here right now is what's growing on the moss growing on the rocks and the trees. And it's all amongst all these brown leaves. It's really pretty when you see the two colors together. If we were to use some descriptive words to talk about and describe the feeling of this, I could use words like soft, smooth, it almost feels peaceful and gentle and calm. Well, I wonder if you could go outside and look for something in nature and find words to describe maybe how it feels or looks like. All right. Keep on searching and making those discoveries. Create your own nature report. And I'm going to go do the same. See you next time. Bye.